Hi everyone, this is it. This is your final assignment, your final written assignment for the semester, part 3 of your final exam. So for this assignment, all work should come from chapters 24 through 35. All right, so we're going to explore the plot. Fill in the chart with 5 important events from chapters 24 to 35. You're going to rate the event in terms of how exciting you think it was. Leave 5 stars for a high excitement level. Delete the stars accordingly to your opinion of that event. Finally, explain your star rating in the far right column. Then you're going to consider the mood the author created, okay? The mood refers to the reader's experience, how the author feels when reading the story. So in the chart below, quote 3 examples of specific phrases or sentences that led to a particular feeling or reaction in you. Provide additional context and explanation as necessary. So you're going to add a phrase or a sentence that includes citations, author, last name, and page number, how it made you feel, and why you think you reacted this way. Then you're going to explore the theme. You're going to write a recipe for any abstract topics related to the story. So meaninglessness, power, absurdity, improbability, knowledge, language, or communication. And you're going to make sure you include a specific list of ingredients and a clear, detailed set of step-by-step instructions. These should reflect understanding of the novel. Yes, a recipe. You read that right. It's time to get creative. If you need examples of what for recipes for happiness, look here. This will give you an idea of what we're looking for. Okay? That'll give you an idea of what we're looking for. Then you're going to explore character and theme. You're going to copy a brief passage quoted word for word in quotation marks and cited with author's last name and page number that shows how Arthur Dent is trying to understand something about himself, about other people, or about society, human nature. And in this box, right here, you're going to discuss what you think the author is really trying to say through this character's struggle to understand. What larger observation is the author making about people, society, or life? And finally, it's time to expand your thinking. It's your final writing prompt. You're going to choose one prompt choice to complete. No matter which one you complete, you should be writing a multiple paragraph response of 300 to 400 words. So you'll pick one of these prompts. You're going to indicate which one you selected, and then you're going to write your response in that box. And that's it. And that is the last part of your final exam. If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to reach out, but I look forward to reading your responses, and I really do hope that you enjoyed the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. Thank you.